In this reading, we will going to have energy reading, love reading, and message from your person. Okay, let's see the situation first. This is in separation, love, energy reading. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang sitwasyon ng connection ninyong dalawa. Make it sure na nakafocus ang energy or nakasenter ang energy nyo doon sa person na yung ating i-channel because meron tayo ditong portion na message from your person. Oh, happiness. Overjoyed. Meron ditong moving, pwedeng physical. Okay. So my loves, dito malinaw na in this connection may tendency may naaapektuhan dito na happiness sa relationship ninyong dalawa. Happiness when it comes to sabihin nating ano ba yung kalagayahan, source of happiness ninyong dalawa. Kasi meron ditong closed or trapped. Meron dito may loves na sabihin natin involve yung physical change or physical location change. Meron ditong sabihin natin parehas may susi, may padlock na nakalock. So dito may loves, kung titingnan natin is meron ditong trap. Pwede na sabihin natin may itong pagka-trap na to is pwedeng sa kanyang location or physical change na naaapektuhan yung happiness ninyong dalawa. So dito my loves, I also hear save or sabihin natin kumbaga ito is may malaking factor itong trap na to, natatrap ang inyong relationship dahil dito sa location na to my loves. Loko, may malaking factor ang location when it comes to your relationship because sabihin natin kailangan nito ng adjustment, kailangan ng tulong my loves, pero dito nakatrap, may entrapment dito my loves. Kumbaga iyon is malaki ang epekto ng pagka-trap na yun sa relationship ninyo. Okay, so this one, may tendency din my loves na yung kanyang physical location ang may malaki din na epekto sa happiness ng relationship or connection ninyong dalawa. And one of you or pwedeng kayong dalawa parehas ay nakaka-feel ng frustration because of that. Let's see more clarifier about this connection. Oh, unconditional love. So, kumbaga, itong happiness na to, masasabi natin talagang andun yung oneness, gusto niyo talaga maging as one. Namimiss niyo ang isa't isa, my loves, but because of this physical location, time with friends, moving on. Dalawa dito, my loves, yung time with friends. I also hear na this is a strong confirmation if you are in separation, may isa sa inyo na still frustrated and trapped. But spirits are telling you na it's time for you to move on. Look, happy single. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya. Pero dito, nandito, happy single, living in the moment, my loves. So, kung may tendency na ikaw ito, na trapped and frustrated about this connection, it's time for you na alam mo yon, bigyan mo ng kaligayahan or kalayaan ang iyong sarili. Maaaring right now, ikaw ay sabihin nating hindi mo makuhang mag-enjoy, hindi mo makuhang mag-entertain. Pero dito naman is hindi ka ipinupush na mag-entertain ng iba. Dito my loves is ang kailangan lang mag-move on ka from this. Kasi namimiss nyo talaga yung isa't isa eh. Meron dito one of you na namimiss talagang isa't isa, laging tinitingnan ang mga pictures, laging iniisip ang mga memories, pero ito is indication parehas, my loves, na you are in separation, na sabihin natin you have to learn from the past. You have to learn from the past, my loves. And sabihin natin, dahil doon, you are urged to move. Double confirmation na rin yung moving, my loves. So, double confirmation. And I also hear na itong love na to talaga is your happiness. Ito yung source ng happiness mo, pero ito din ang dahilan kung bakit ka trap in life right now. Happy single. Pwedeng yung person mo din, my loves, ay wants to have time with their friends. Pwedeng ganon, my loves. Kasi, eto tingnan mo yan na lang sa trap and frustrated. You are urged to have a happy time with friends. And also, lumitaw dito yung isolation, my loves. Kaya ka nagfi-feeling trap right now, you feel left in the dark. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng yung person mo, my loves. Okay, ayun nga. So, if you are feeling trapped right now, think positive. I-enjoy mo lang muna, pero sabihin natin kung nagtatanong ka about you, may hope about sa pag-asa, kung magkakasama pa ba kayo. May hope dito, I see hope dito, pero nandito kasi yung sabihin nating introspection Pag kasi yung hermit mode na to, or yung hermit na card na to yung lumilitaw, ito is a great indication na kailangan nyo munang i-isolate ang isa't isa. With the Queen of Cups, my loves, sabihin natin nandun pa rin yung feelings, pero dito kasi lumitaw na kailangan nyo parang i-enjoy ang mga bagay-bagay. Maaaring ito yung kulang sa inyong dalawa, yung hindi nyo na-enjoy yung bagay-bagay because of this relationship. Kaya kung iniisip mo kung may pag-asa pa ba, yes, nandun yung hope, pero kailangan makita muna sa'yo yung, or sa person mo, yung positivity, yung happiness in life without this relationship. Kasi masyado kang naging trap dito And pwede din, my loves, na meron talagang lilipat dito ng kanyang tirahan, or pwedeng yung because of this situation, pwede din, my loves, na may aalis, may lilipat. Kaya kung ang iniintay mo or yung ini-inquire is about kung darating ba or matutuloy ba, I also see na meron naman. Kasi nandyan moving physical location. So, meron talaga. Uuwi at uuwi siya, my loves. Pero, may tendency na hindi. Kasi yung sa sold na to, hindi available sa'yo. Okay? And dito sa trap na to, sa frustrated na to, mafe-feel mo yan kung ikaw yan or yung person mo. Pero dahil lumitaw dito yung girl talk, kung sino man sa inyo ng person mo yung nakakaramdam nito, it is the calling for you na kailangan mo nung mag-move on, i-enjoy ang life, and make your life more radiant and positive without being frustrated in this relationship. I also hear na nandun pa rin yung sabihin natin, hindi mo kailangan magalit sa person mo kasi nandito yung compassionate and supportive, my loves. So, kaya may hope Kaya may hope din, my loves. Andun pa rin yung feelings. Kumbaga, andun pa rin yung sabihin natin care. Pero let's see message from your person. Kasi, kumbaga, andun yung pag-uwi. Pero, bakit ka pinag-move on dito? Ayan, okay. So, andun pa rin talaga yung feelings. I want to get you drunk. Gusto ka talaga niyang makabanding, my loves. Andun din yung love. Gusto niya mag-enjoy with you. I lie awake thinking about our future, my loves. So, laman ka pa rin ng isipan ng taong ito. Pero ito ba ay... Oo, okay. Confirmation na laman ka pa rin ng isipan ng taong to. Pero, eto ha, spirits are telling you na kailangan mo din talaga mag-enjoy sa life. Although, hindi mo kailangan maging frustrated, my loves. Kasi, meron din namang feeling sa'yo yung taong ito. May feeling siya sa'yo eh. Pero bakit, andun yung lockbox? Ikinukulong lang ba yung sarili mo dito sa relationship na to? Ito lang ba talaga yung source ng iyong happiness? Oh, isang confirmation na namimiss ka talaga niya. You speak to me through music. Talagang, okay, so meron ding itinatago pa itong person mo sa'yo. I hid who I really am from you. Niisip din niya, meron ka pang hindi nadidiscover or hindi mo pa tuluyang kilala ang person mo. And they want to clear this out. Look, to clear things out to you. Gusto niya ding, kung ano man yung mga itinago niya sa'yo, gusto din niya yung baguhin. I am becoming a better person. So, gusto niyang linawin, my loves yun, kung meron ka mang madidiscover sa kanya. Pero eto ha, kung tinatanong mo kung may feelings, yes, may feelings yung person mo sa'yo. Maybe ikaw ay sabihin nating pinag-move on ng ni spirit guides because you are too trapped, too frustrated in this relationship. So, kailangan, my loves, i-balance mo. Isipin mo, the more na napo-frustrate ka, mas lalong lumalayo yung pag-aasa na magkasama kayo ulit. So, kailangan, my loves, confirmation, I miss you. Have patience, my loves. My love for you is stronger than ever. Namimiss ka talaga, confirmation ng taong to. And, I think about you all the time. Talagang, obviously, namimiss ka ng person mo. So, let's see kung ano ba talaga yung nakadestined sa inyong dalawa. Ano ang meron sa connection ninyong dalawa? Let's see. Learn. Okay, let love show you how to learn from each other. Parang, teka lang, lumitaw din kanina to. And heart. You begin to feel your heartbeat faster when you are closer. Okay, nandito di confirmation, magkakasama kayo, my loves. Pero kailangan, you must learn from something. Parang lumitaw yun kanina eh. Eto, ayan. Meron ba kayo napagtalunan? Meron ba kayong hindi napagkasunduan? Kung ano man yun, my loves, kung ano may napagdaanan ng relationship nyo, kailangan may learnings doon. Pero, yes. So, ito yung my loves confirmation, meron pa talaga. Meron pa talagang balikan. And also, kung unhealthy sa'yo as maging frustrated in this relationship, spirits are telling you na kailangan baguhin mo yun. Kailangan mag-move on ka and i-enjoy mo ang iyong life. Okay, so okay, let's pull our final card for this connection. Oh, okay. So, sige, ito is indication na may something pa talaga sa inyong dalawa. Kung tinatanong mo kung magbabalikan kayo, yes, it is safe for you to love this past life relationship. So, ibig sabihin, it is safe for you na makipagbalikan dito sa taong to. Basta kailangan baon-baon yung learnings. Kung ano man yung natutunan at ibinigay sa iyo ng relationship na to. And kung itinatanong mo kung may feelings pa sa'yo ang iyong person, yes, may feelings pa siya. And meron din ditong movement. Kaya kung nasan man siya ngayon, mababago din yung location na kumbaga mababago din yung location na kinaroroonan niya right now. Okay, and that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.